Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 6i and let me share with you some useful secret codes which you can use on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers of this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is similar to the previous one. It's *#07#. And as you can see, the information just pops out. We can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is connected to the calendar. It is *##225#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option, the best code to use if you want to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you the code for the diagnostics. It is *##426#*##*#. And as I said, we are in a diagnostics. Here we can check the server, host port, time connected, or signal level. What's more, we can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. We can tap also on the three dots icon and show advanced view. After tapping on it, just tap on the status, and here we've got much more info, just like heartbeat or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the software info. It is *##6776#. And as I said, we are in the software version, so here we can check the model, for example, baseband version, kernel, master date, color OS version, or branch. Let me get back and let me show you another code. It is *##888#. And here we've got engineer mode, so here we can check the PCB number of this device, and also we can scan QR code and check some further details about this Realme. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the feedback menu. It is *#800#. And just tap on OK. Here we've got the user. Let's get back. And let me show you the feedback menu. Here you've got some particular components of your device. So you've got the network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, junk, face recognition, audio, camera, sensor. As you can see, quite a lot of options. You've got also the touch screen. That was a misclick, sorry. So here you've got the feedback menu, and thanks to this you can report some issues. So for example, if you will have some problems with the touch screen, just tap here. You can enable the recording, so your device will record the actual screen and the actions which are on it currently. You can tap on start login and wait a second. And as you can see, right now your device is, let's say, counting. It is recording. You will be able to record the problems you meet. So just try to do anything which causes some problems, for example, the screen freezing or when the screen do not respond. Then you can just tap login. And as you can see right now, we've got the option to give this issue a title. You can you actually have to add your name and contact. You can describe the problem, so you don't only have to show it on the video, but you can still describe it. Here you've got also the occurrence, the recovery method. Here you can add screenshot or video, and you can tap on save. Obviously I cannot do it because the fields are empty in my case, so just tap on OK. Let me get back. OK. And actually this is it. Thanks to this, you will be able to send it to the company, to the developer, and show some problems. Probably they will find a way to fix it. What's more, you can tap on suggest, and if you've got any ideas of how to improve using the Realme 6i or any other Realme, probably you can just give it a title. You can use scenes, you can reference it, and so on and so on. So you can send it to the developer, and maybe he will or she will take it under the consideration. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Realme 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.